can see the radar was covered by snow at night. Now the black plastic absorbed the radiation and the dirt on the snow. All these holes on the snow are because of the dirt, the dust in the middle of the snow. When the ice froze, it froze on dust. The dust absorbed radiation more than the ice. And now it is melting, and the most probably the radar sensor will be cleared very soon. It is melting. This is my radar. It is melting now. Why? Because the sun, here is my shadow. Wonderful. The sun is melting the snow. As soon as I drive, that will be covered by the snow. And you can see that phenomenon of steam evaporation in the surface, on the surface of the asphalt only. The snow can seldomly produce steam because it's like very good reflector. And here you can see how the tires collapsed. This is Union Pacific equipment, miserable.